How to send view once photo in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send a view once photo in WhatsApp step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, then you can simply open the chat where you want to send the view once photo. And now here, once you are inside the chat, then you simply have to tap on the camera icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a camera section will open. Now here, you can either choose the photo from your gallery or you can simply click one. And now here, once you have clicked the photo, at the bottom right side, you can see the circle icon with one inside it. So simply tap on it, and here, once you have tapped on it, you just have to tap on the arrow icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you do that, you have successfully sent a view once photo on WhatsApp. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.